In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix fail to connect Spotify account to Discord on Android. If you've been seeing that frustrating fail to connect message when trying to link Spotify to Discord, this simple routine usually clears it up by resetting a few things and using a cleaner network path. Start by closing Discord completely. Don't just back out of the app, make sure it's not running in the background. On Android, that means swiping it away from your recent apps so it's fully closed. This helps reset any stuck session that might block the connection flow when you try again. Next, open the Spotify app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to link. If Spotify isn't open or you're not signed in, Discord can't complete the connection because it relies on Spotify to confirm your identity. Take a second to verify you can see your playlists or your profile inside the Spotify app, which confirms you're properly signed in. Now turn Wi-Fi off so your phone uses mobile data. This is the key to avoiding the error. Some Wi-Fi networks, especially public or work networks, can block the web sign-in page that the connection process needs. Switching to mobile data gives you a direct, unfiltered path so the authorization can complete. Make sure you see your mobile data icon active before moving on. With Wi-Fi off, open Discord again, tap your profile picture to enter settings, then scroll to connections and select Spotify. This is where Discord lists services it can link to your account, and Spotify will appear as an option you can tap. Tap Connect. At this point, Discord will take you through Spotify's secure sign-in and authorization flow. Because you already confirmed you're signed into Spotify, this step should be quick. If a browser or in-app page opens asking you to continue, just follow the on-screen prompts. When it succeeds, you'll be returned to Discord and you should see Spotify listed under your connected accounts. That's the entire process. Closing Discord ensures a fresh start, confirming your Spotify login avoids identity hiccups, and switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data bypasses network filters that commonly trigger the fail to connect error. After you're done, you can keep using Discord as normal and enjoy Spotify presence showing what you're listening to. If the connection shows up under connections, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you link Spotify to Discord smoothly on your Android device.